Okay, mate family, I want to do a video breaking down the Super Saver scheme because it's a great initiative the government's implemented to help first home buyers save their deposit and save some tax along the way. The most I ever saw anyone save was $17,500 in tax by using this scheme. So used correctly, it can really help you keep the money in your pocket, not the government's. Now, how do you save 17.5 grand tax? Let me show you. Let's say, for argument's sake, that we are in the band of $45,000 taxable income to $120,000 taxable income. As you can see there, we'll be paying about 32.5% tax. The benefit of this scheme is the money that you salary sacrifice into your super. So rather than saving after you get paid into a savings account, you've already paid 32.5 cents in the dollar in tax. You tell your employer, please put $500 a month, $1,000 a month, salary sacrifice into my super. That's how you start doing it. So how to get on the scheme, by the way, is you have to tell your employer to put more money into super for you. So how does that work is this. Let's say you are getting paid normal. Now, if you get paid normal, your tax rate in this example would be 32.5% tax. Whereas if we put it through the Super Saver scheme, it is 15% tax. The difference here is it's going to be 17.5% cheaper doing it via the Super Saver because you're only paying 15% tax, not 32.5%. How my customers saved $17,500 was quite simple. They both maxed out their Super Saver 50 grand each. That's 100 grand they saved via this scheme. Rather than paying 32.5% tax, they only paid 15% tax, which was the difference of 17.5%. 17.5% on 100 grand is $17,500. They saved in tax just by using the scheme. Couple of warnings. Number one is it's 15 grand max contribution per year. Okay? Can't just put 50 grand in 1 year. It has to be $15,000 max per year, per person. Number two is it's 50 grand max. So it's 50 grand max contribution. It could take you probably 4 years to get to that with those max contributions of 15 grand per year. And number three, it has to be for owner occupied only. So you can't use this scheme to buy an investment property. And number four, it takes 15 to 20 business days to get the money out. So when you do buy a property and your money's in the Super Saver scheme, make sure you remember the day you sign a contract, you got to get on the phone to get that money out because it does take between 15 and 20 business days. So no signing contracts with 3-week settlement. You're going to want to sign a contract with a 30 to 45-day settlement to have enough time to get your money out of that Super Saver. There's not much more you need to know here besides make sure you're really clear on what you want to do. This only works if you buy a property which you move into, not for investment. Now, I'm going to put in the description below exactly more information on our website about the Super Saver scheme. And if this is something which interests you, please reach out. We'd love to help. As always, have a mad day.